Hello, my name's Nick Marshall. We're here this weekend at Ranch MX for the first ever YZ65 Cup. We have over 30 riders here this weekend. It's great to see all the bikes out there on the track for the first time. It's all about the kids, giving them a great bLU cRU experience. Seeing them out there on the bike, it's fantastic, all lined up on the grid. Yes, this weekend is all about giving the kids the ultimate bLU cRU experience. We've got all the bikes set up underneath the pit. We've got some great experiences like doing a track walk in the morning with Dean Ferris, truck tour with CDR boys. We put on a barbecue. That's a few giveaways. So it's all about giving these kids a really cool experience. A big thank you to the kids and the parents for being part of the bLU cRU. Looking forward to seeing them evolve through our product range and hopefully become champions like our current champion Dean Ferris.
I rocked up here at 7 o'clock this morning and all the kids were already geared up and standing next to their bike, and they're just so excited that they've they've got a 65 to race. Got a chance to meet some of the families and the kids, and they're absolutely stoked with the bike, and going to put on a barbecue here and just mingle with them.
I think the initiative with the YZ65 Cup by Yamaha has just been an excellent thing. Seeing our riders, Dean Ferris and Dylan Long, interact with the kids and just to see the boys get out there and ride their bikes around and have fun, just like just watching their superstars ride. Then they get out on the same track, and just seeing the smiles and the happy looks on their father's face, their mum's face and the kids. It's just been a really exciting weekend for all of us.
Yeah, I've had heaps of fun. The track's really good and the bike's the power of them are amazing.
I really like the YZ65. It has to be the best bike I've ridden.
This is the perfect opportunity for us to showcase our new products. We've got the new 2019 YZ85, which is a perfect step up from the YZ65, and also the 2019 YZ250F. So these are the next models that hopefully these guys will step up onto through our step up strategy. We've also put on a VIP hospitality area for the parents to chill out and watch the live stream of the racing. So it's just all about giving that family environment, and once again, just a big thank you to all the parents and the kids for being a part of the bLU cRU.
I'm amazed just how fantastic it is for these young fellas and their whole families. I've seen some of their dads are just as nervous and just as pumped up as the kids, and the smiles on their faces, and just to be part of the whole MX national scene and see what it's about, and hopefully aspire to be, maybe some future champions.
It's an awesome initiative from Yamaha to get the young kids involved, and so far we've seen a lot of excited young faces and a lot of positive feedback from a lot of the parents, and the kids are just getting an experience that money can't buy. I wish something like this was around when I was a kid, that's for sure, because getting to walk the track yesterday with the likes of Dean Ferris and Dylan Long and get a few pointers from the guys leading the championship. Things like that don't generally happen normally, so these kids are getting something very unique and special, and I'm stoked to be a part of it.
I flew over from WA for Yamaha to ride this 65 Cup. The track's really good. I like it when it's rough because it's got lots of ruts. The bike pulls nice through ruts and over the jumps.
So I've come up from New Zealand to race in the YZ65 Cup. It's really cool to be riding on the same track as the big boys, and the suspension, you can definitely feel the difference. It's really strong through the mid-range, just as you're hooking through the gears.
It's been a great weekend. We've had a huge response from the kids and the parents. Everyone's happy. They've had a fantastic weekend. Looking forward to doing this at the Coolum round of MX Nationals. Looking forward to doing it all over again. So just pleased to see all the kids, big smiles on their faces, and yeah, much appreciation.